How to add Google Form link to your Facebook page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add your Google Form link to your Facebook page. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, let's open up our Google Form and head over to the form. So let's say that this is the form that I want to add on my page. So make sure that your form is published and you have the link. So copy the responders link. You can shorten the link if you want to. I'll just shorten it for now and copy it. After doing that, head over to your Facebook page. I'll just head over to Facebook page here. And now head over to your profile. After you're on your profile, there you'll see an option, the three dots. You can tap on it and there you will see an option that says add action button. Tap on it, tap on try it, and now you can choose any other. You can experiment with other options as well, but the one that we will be using is the sign up option. After you select sign up option, tap on next and then paste the link that you just copied from your Google. Then tap on save and you have just entered or added your forms link into your page. Now if you want to see what it looks like, just tap on the three dots and tap on view as. Doing that, you can see the sign up button right here available, which is your Google form. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.